What's up guys, Soulsteed here and welcome back to another episode of Resell Life. In case you don't know, on this series, we are trying to grow our reselling side hustle into a full six-figure business. Today is Thursday, and every Thursday means one thing, bin drop. So let's hit the bin drop and let's see what they got today. All right, we just made it to bin drop. I'm not gonna be able to film in there too much, but I'll try to get some stuff, but the line is already forming. So let's get in line and let's get ready to go inside. All right, we're back home now, so let's go over today's goals. Goal number 1, we need to ship out all of those packages that we boxed up last night. Goal number 2, I started putting together this shelf last night. I want to finish putting it together today and start organizing some of my boxes out. Goal number 3, we need to go to Walmart today, pick up all the items that we sold, and look for another shelf, maybe more than one, to try to get some more organization to the building. And then some obvious goals, we have to package up everything that sold today because we are out of vacation mode and making sales once again. Those are some of the goals that we have today. Today's a great day to make some money, so let's make it. We are officially loaded down with packages in the back seat, and we are gonna head to the post office now to drop these off. I think when I get there, I'm gonna see if they have a cart because that made things much easier last time. I have my little cart, but it's gonna be a little sketchy getting them inside. So let's go to the post office, get all these packages dropped off. All right guys, leaving Walmart, got a bunch of stuff. We had to get some personal stuff too, but we got some totes. We got another shelf to go out in the garage. We got more inflatables. Pretty much all of these are sold. A Lego Friends water park set. I think that's pet daycare. This is sold 56 to 90, and then a couple other inflatables that we picked up. So let's get home. All right, before we move any further forward, I've got to do something about all this stuff. So I got some more totes. Let's get some of this stuff packed up. Let's get it labeled, and let's get it outside of the building. The things about doing this on the scale that we're doing it at now is you forget stuff that you have. So we're going to be putting all of this into our storage, but we have 3 Lego sets there, Star Wars Lego set here, and then 1 Spider-Man set down there. All of those are going to be going in a box, and they'll be going into storage for now. Alright guys, it's much later on Thursday night. We are finally home. I finally got some stuff cleaned up. So now let's take a look at everything that we got from bin drop today. Today was $1 day, so I will keep in mind everything down here is $1 except for the books. All of the books are 33 cents a piece. So I took some chances. I know nothing about any of these books. So I'm going to show you guys what we have, and then I'll look it up, see if anything's worth it, and if anything is good, I'll let you know. This is everything that we have today. As I mentioned, all the books are 33 cents a piece. We have some random part, a couple of CDs, a phone case, I think. I don't know what some of this stuff even is. And then, yeah, a lot of books. So I'm going to go through, see if any of these books are worth anything. We'll get all of this stuff listed up on eBay. Maybe some of the books on Amazon, if we can list any of them on Amazon. And then if anything is worth it or big money, I'll pop in and let you guys know. Alright guys, I've got my list. It's time to go shopping for last night's orders. Let's go get them. Alright guys, let's talk about all of the items that we sold on December 1st, first day of the month, and we had an absolutely massive day. You guys can see all of our sales right here, minus makes. So let's go through them. We sold 5 of the Mama Surprise guinea pig sets. That's all that we had in. You get these for about 65 bucks, and I'm just moving them for 105. Pretty easy profits right there. We sold another, it looks like 8 or 9 of these Grinch scarf sets. I'm actually sold out of these now, so I have to buy more. We sold another one of these rooster sets. We're selling these for $49.99. We're picking them up for $16.88, so that's a really good deal right there. We got 9 more of these coming in as well, so I can't wait for those to come in. We sold a pair of Jordan slides that I've had for a long time, a pair of Jordan Hydro 3 slides. Sold them for like 65, 70 bucks, so probably about $30 profit on those. And then we sold one more thing that's actually in a box. We got this monitor mount from bin drop. We paid $1. We sold it for $21.50. So those are all the sales for today. We need to get them boxed up. That way we can get them shipped out, and then I got a whole lot of inventory that I got to take pictures of and get posted, so let's go ahead and get all that done and then get these to the post office. Don't forget, on inflatables like this, we always cut the price tags off because we don't really want people to get a package that they paid $50 for and know that we paid $10 or $15. So let's cut off all of these price stickers now. All right, all price tags ripped off of the boxes. Now it's time to get them loaded up. All right, we just had some more Walmart packages come in. I'm pretty sure they're all inflatable roosters, so let's go get them, let's put them up, and then let's get them sold. Actually, if you're actually serious about reselling, get a cart. Total game changer. Alright guys, it's around 7 p.m. on Friday, December 2nd, and I got some stuff to knock out right now. I'm actually waiting on videos to head over to Google Drive. That way I can finish editing some of the other episodes for you guys for episode 2. But we have some clothes that we need to post, okay? We have some clothes. I'm going to take them out. I'm going to get them laid out. That way we can post pictures of them. And then also, we got something else today. We got our little photo box here, and I'm excited to try it out for smaller items. I took one picture using the photo box, and I think it's going to take everything to the next level. So I'm excited to use that. Let's get these clothes out. Let's get pictures taken, and let's get them listed. That way maybe we can sell something other than a Christmas inflatable for once. Let's get it. Okay, today we have to make some much needed drop-offs. My car is loaded down with about 25 packages that needs to go to the post office, and they're only open for like an hour and a half today. So we need to get to the post office, we need to drop these packages off, and then we still have a load of UPS packages that we have to drop off. Today's gonna be a busy Saturday. Let's get to it. Well, hello my old friends. All right, 26 packages dropped off at the post office. Now let's head to UPS. All right, guys, all UPS packages are loaded up. Today on Saturday, we're gonna go drop these off. That way we can start fresh come Monday. So let's go drop these packages off and make a quick run to Walmart. All right, UPS packages all packaged up in the cart. Now let's go drop them off. Late night Big Lots run before they close. Let's go see if there's anything good in here. I got a few items that I want to look for, but we'll just see what we can find tonight. Alright guys, it's about time to wrap up episode 3 of Resell Life, and to do that, we're going to go over all the sales that we made this weekend. We have sold a ton of stuff. Over the weekend, we sold a little over 100 items. We're going to go through all those here in just a minute. These are just the inflatables that we sold, minus a bunch. Looks like we sold about 10 of these Golden Reef dog inflatables. We sold about 8 of these Grinch car buddies. We sold about 7 Max car buddies, 5 of these Bulldogs. We sold 22 of these Snowman car buddies. We've got the Angel inflatable, Reindeer car buddy, Unicorn inflatable, Rooster, Elf and Santa car buddies, and then Grinch with stockings, and then the